seeing how we can call this function model in our program. Okay. So for that, let's create a new program. Okay. Let's hit activate. And 14 or 15. 14 is there. We don't have create. Okay. So now, as per that functionality, our program also is going to. So our selection screen is going to have those three parameters. Okay. And that three parameters, whatever user will be giving, that parameters will be providing as an input to the function model, and we'll get the result. No need to write that code in our program. Just we need to call the function model. What like when parameters. One, I, B, value 2, 3, I, then P operator. Right? So that's it. So now let's have it. Okay. Just to call a function model, what is the button we will be using to get the whole template of the function model? We have used yesterday. Yes.
Pattern.
Pattern button. Okay. If you use pattern, it's easy. System will be generating a template, complete template for you. So what is our function model? Just copy the name. Just put it. So that's it. So now if you see here, the whole template queue. Okay, the exporting and importing. Now if you clearly observe, so it was in function model, these three things are importing, right? And this thing was exporting, and the exception is exceptions. Why it changed? It became reverse, right? The import became a exporting, and exporting became importing. Can someone answer this?
It seems like this is with regard to this particular program. With regard to this particular program, we are actually passing that value to the function module, right? So that's why it is exporting.
Yeah. Yes, correct. Do you guys agree? Anyone? What Anurag was saying?
Yes, Raju.
Yeah. So that is the change. Don't get confused. Okay. So here if you see this, here this is all importing, right? I value this. Here if you see this is import, right? Here as a function model, it is taking values as an import. It is importing, and it is exporting here. But when you are calling this function model, so this from function models, these values you are exporting to the function model. Okay, and this is you are importing from function model to the program. Understood? So that is what it is. So now what we need to do? Simple. We need to just align them. And what is the result? We need to have one declaration, right? Data variable is right. And that will be assigned. Okay. So here you can have it. This exceptions. Okay. So if system servers is not equal to 0 means so either of these exceptions raised. That is what it means. If it is 0 means successfully executed and given the result. If it is not equal to 0 means these exceptions have been raised. So that time you can have it any exception. Like so one is that you can catch the exception, all those things you can do. Or else just simply one technique you can have it. So not equal to 0 if just pass one message to the user. If see one, that means that exception one has been raised. Okay. And here I will just pass a message. So that same text you can have it here. So this short text is there, right? You can just copy and paste. Sorry. The information. Okay. So that's it. Just test this program. But we need display the result. Once we have it. You can have a write statement. Result. What is that? Result where it will be stored? Yeah. Just as addition. Get. Yeah. So that is how it will be. If you want to have it debugging, slash h. Here I can show now F5 debugging, how it will be helpful. Okay, I'm using F6 now here. Now I came to function model. So now suppose if I want to debug inside code of this function model also, what I should click? I should click F5. I'm pressing F5. It will get into the function model code. Clear? So this is how the F5 will work. Okay. Suppose I don't want to execute. By mistake I came here. Understood? Now within a single execution, single press, I need to come out this function model. For that, I'll press F7. This F7 is okay. So you can use F6 actually. I mean F7. Keyboard has some issue. Okay, just try. When you are trying, just use F7. Okay, from starting of the function model, you will come out like this. You will come out with one, in single go. So this will be clear. Suppose again if I debug, so I'll be using now F6. Okay, here also I'll be using F6. F5 you have seen, it went to inside. Now I'm going to press F6. See, a single go, the entire function model has been executed. Okay, so this is the one. Okay.